within 2 days. So what is that one thing which you would want to gift him if you get an opportunity to gift him?
I don't think I could gift a man who has everything in life. I think that when he snaps his finger, whatever he wants arrives. The only thing that I could think of is, I hope you had a wonderful year. Happy, happy birthday. I wish you all the success in the world, and God bless you and your family.
Hi, Sunny. Since it's the Christmas time, so if you get a chance to dress someone like Santa, who would it be, and what gift you would like to receive from him or her?
If I could be Santa, who would I want to give a gift to?
If you get a chance to dress someone like Santa Claus, who would it be, and like what gift you would like to receive?
First of all, I'd be Mrs. Claus, and Mr. Weber would be Santa Claus. And the only thing that I would want for Christmas is just my family, I guess. Actually, my Mrs. Claus and Mr. Claus, my husband and I, we just gifted ourselves a new car this year. So that was our gift to each other.
और सनी, कैटरीना ने अपनी शुरुआत बॉलीवुड में बहुत बोल्ड फिल्मों से की, आपकी भी शुरुआत वैसे हुई. आपको लगता है कितनी इंस्पायर्ड, और बाकी में आपको लगता है कि आप वो मुकाम हासिल कर लेगी, कैटरीना को जो मुकाम बॉलीवुड में हासिल है अभी?
I didn't hear the second part of your question.
कैटरीना और आपकी शुरुआत बोल्ड फिल्मों से ही हुई, करियर की जो शुरुआत हुई बॉलीवुड में, और आप कितने इंस्पायर हैं, और आपको लगता है कि कैटरीना भी एक बहुत बड़े लेवल पे आ गई, आप उस मुकाम को छू लेंगी बॉलीवुड में, कितना वक्त लग जाएगा?
Well, she's been in the industry for a very long time and works very, very hard to get where she is. Everybody has their own journey, so I don't think that her journey or my journey would ever be the same. God willing, I become just as popular as she is, but I do think that it takes a lot of hard work, and I think when people see this movie, One Night Stand, they'll get to see a different side. I mean, obviously, as you know, the sexy parts are there in the movie, but we're hoping, the producer, the director, Tanuj, everybody that's a part of this movie, we're hoping that people will fall in love with the story. And more than anything, which is what I love the most, it's thought-provoking. And even just when I was at rehearsal the other day, I brought up just the basic plot of this, and it brought up such an amazing conversation. And I said, bingo, this is why they have written such a story, to create this conversation. So for me, what I got out of it was, if this conversation can be created after somebody watches the promos or after they watch the movie, then our mission was complete, which was to make a movie that makes everybody talk about it at dinner, at coffee, over drinks, over a glass of wine, whatever it is, when you're sitting with your friends. So,
Sunny, what are your New Year plans and also New Year resolution?
Well, I explained my New Year's resolution this year is to be more social, because I live in a box. And I would like to get outside of that box this year and just go out a little bit more. I worked really hard this year. It was a working year for me. And next year, a few of my movies will come out. And I'm hoping with that, just the idea of being more social. I'm kind of like a hermit. I don't know if everybody understands what that is. It's a hermit that lives in a hole.
We have 3 more questions, please, because we need to wrap this up. So if anyone needs to ask.
Hello, Sunny.
Where are you?
No. I'm your biggest fan, one of the biggest fans. Can you sing a Hindi song for me? Any Hindi song? One line just.
मैं गाती नहीं हूँ.
Any English song?
Tanuj, do you sing?
नहीं, मैं सिर्फ बाथरूम में गाता हूँ तो. Yeah.
Our director sings. Go ahead.
No.
Anything.
No.
They just want to hear a beautiful voice.
That's not me.
Yes, it is. I've heard you sing on set. She sings on set. थोड़ा सा pressure डालो ना.
कौन सा गाना गाना?
Okay, I think Sunny's going to sing Baby Doll first, no?
No.
Yeah.
No. For everybody out there who's done interviews with me, you guys know I don't sing. Nor am I good at it. I've been banned. Next question. Okay.
आपने वन नाइट स्टैंड मूवी के लिए सनी को ही क्यों साइन किया?
ये सवाल ना मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आता. सनी को क्यों नहीं? ऐसे होना चाहिए.
और भी बहुत सारे हीरोइंस हैं, कैटरीना है.
पर ये परफेक्ट है ऐसे नहीं लगता है आपको? तो फिर बात खत्म हो गई ना वहीं पे. बात वहीं पे खत्म हो गई ना.
Okay. You can tell her. You can tell her. It's because I'm cute.
because I think she is absolutely wonderful. उनमें बहुत टैलेंट है जो हमने देखा नहीं आज तक. जैसे हमने अभी जैसे जो डांस शूट किया है, we have tried to portray her in a way that she's never been portrayed before. और मैं वही कोशिश करूंगी कि मेरी फिल्म में भी जब आप देखने आएंगे कि आप बोलेंगे अरे यार ये सनी है, ये हमें नहीं लग रहा है इसने. So मैं बस वही दर्शाना चाह रही हूँ कि ये क्यों नहीं. She is my right choice. And I would like to add the same about Tanuj because काफी सारे लोगों ने मुझे पूछा था कि तनुज क्यों. And I think we are trying to reinvent him, reload him. बेचारे को हमने डाइट पे डाल दिया है, कुछ खाने नहीं दे रहे हैं.
I'm on a seafood diet. मैं सिर्फ खाना देखता हूँ आजकल तो यार.
So he is the surprise package as well for my film. And all I would say is मेरी फिल्म में हर कोई बंदा जो है वो इसलिए है क्योंकि वो वहाँ पे बिल्कुल सही बैठता है. There can be no one better than that person to be in that position, whether it is my cast, whether it is my crew. And when I say that, I really believe in it because जो मेरी टीम है उन्होंने they have only made me proud. So
Sunny, a lot of kids in India are your fans also. Would you ever like to do a movie specifically for kids, children?
I would love to. It would be something that I would be very proud of. I think that will come with time. But I was given a huge gift this year, which was being able to have fans that were this size. And it felt very, very good.
Okay, I guess...
Jasmine, one question over here.
Last question, please.
You had signed Rana Dugpati for the film. So what?
We had not signed Rana for the film. We were in talks with him. क्योंकि हर फिल्म का एक प्रोसेस होता है, आप बात करते हैं, लेकिन कई बार ऐसे होता है कि उनके डेट इश्यूज की वजह से या आपके रिक्वायरमेंट की वजह से वो नहीं हो पाता है. तो राना का जब नहीं हो पाया तो उसके बाद हमने काफी सारे ऑडिशंस किए. और जैसे कि मैंने कहा, तनुज यहाँ पे इसीलिए है क्योंकि ही इज परफेक्ट फॉर द कैरेक्टर, नॉट फॉर एनी अदर रीजन. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
It was wonderful. At the expense of my producer, please enjoy. Please enjoy the party. Thank you.